here at Jones Multi-Net, offering top quality carpet cleaning. Beautiful room done. We even take care of placing special foaming under your furniture to make sure that no color transfer is being done. We also have corner guards to make sure that everything is good. Take a look at our corner guards. Professional pre-spray. And here we're moving the beds with our professional sliders. So no matter what furniture you may have, we are able to move it under reasonable furniture, of course. We will not move a grand piano or a big buffet where it's not movable. Always very important to notify us that if there are any legs that may be weak, so we do not damage your furniture. Jones Multi-Net, 514-704-3947. For the best experience in carpet cleaning, give us a call.